14 heads manual belt combination weighing machine. It weighs products with exceptional precision and high speed, ensuring continuous production without interruption. It relies on an integrated system that selects the best combination from 14 weighing heads, guaranteeing the target weight with maximum accuracy and minimal waste. Suitable for handling various types of meat and fish, regardless of their shapes or sizes. Simplifies packaging, saving time and effort. International company since 1977.